are going to love the 2020 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, fog lights, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, compass, rear window defroster, power windows, trip computer, security system, panic alarm. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.